Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch L1H1 configuration. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex Nanocoat to protect it from tree sap, acidity or rain for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in Arctic white and comes in the Enterprise trim level, which is fitted with electrically adjustable mirrors, twin sliding doors. At the back it comes with barn-style opening doors and parking sensors fitted over the bumper. And then on the curbside you have the other sliding door and the fuel cap for the diesel, while you can find the AdBlue on the passenger door. Let's take a look into the back now. The vehicle comes with a full metal bulkhead and lighting fixtures over the roof lines. You also have wood ply lining over the panels to protect it from wear and tear. And size-wise, it's 135 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 134 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive 243 centimeters from edge to edge of floor space. Over the flooring you can also find 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with a fully adjustable independent driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passengers. Once you get in, you have extensive storage solutions over the passenger side and at the center of the dashboard. Once you get to the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. The steering wheel column is adjustable both in height and depth. And over to the left, you have the headlight control, cruise control stalk, and the wiper stalk is fitted on the right hand side. A bit further down on the right hand side you also find the dial to adjust the height of the main beam, while on the driver armrest you have the power windows and power mirror control. The infotainment unit is a Citroen NAC. This one is fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, and also obviously you have DAB radio as well as FM AM. Just underneath you can find the air conditioning unit, the central locking unit, a 12-volt port and a USB Type-A, and this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Dispatch panel van in L1H1 configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.